We are back! A new year and a slightly new bar. And today we're going zero proof. No alcohol, no hangover. And I hear you thinking, RJ, Mocktails? Really? But trust me, these are worth watching, so welcome back to the Rockwell Bar. Tomorrow you will thank tonight you, and there are plenty of reasons why not to drink alcohol. Driving, early meetings, or kids who wake up at 6 AM for no reason. So let's start with the Virgin Sunrise, or shall we call this one the Rockwell Sunrise. First we're gonna fill up the whole glass with ice. So put in your ice cubes, that means more than one. So let's put in some more, and that's the last one. And then we're gonna pick some nice and fresh orange juice. Fill it up, just pour in a good amount, like 2/3 of the glass. Now take your grenadine and pour it slowly over the ice and let it sink to the bottom. Wow, look at that color. That's already such a nice contrast. And to add just a little bite, we're gonna add tonic. This gives your cocktail a bit of bitterness, and that's to balance the sweetness out. Now for the garnish, I'm gonna take an orange, some cherries, and of course also a straw. This one is fresh, sweet and optimistic, because optimism is easier with a drink that looks like this. And that's scientifically proven. Probably. So next up, we're gonna make a Virgin Mai Tai. Grab your glass and your shaker. And for this Mai Tai, we're gonna take 90 ml of pineapple juice. So that's 2 times 45 ml, or in other words, 2 times 1.5 ounces. There you go. And let's put this back. Okay, next we pour in 20 ml of almond syrup, or let's say 0.7 ounces. Okay, 25 ml of fresh lime juice. So let's cut this in half. Let's take a look how much juice that first half gives. Okay, now that's not much juice. Well, I think this is not the season for limes. So let's take the other half and squeeze it. There you go. Let's also put the other half in. And make sure your muddler is not making noise. And for this one also just a little tonic. Of course, this is optional. And then add some ice to your shaker. Now shake it. Put some ice in your glass. Take your strainer and pour it in. And now put on some nice garnish. A lime wheel and some cherries. And a straw. Time to taste. Ooh, oh wow. It's tropical, playful, still balanced, and it tastes like vacation, even if your calendar says Tuesday. And next, the Virgin Paloma. This one is super easy, but delicious. Take your glass and make a salt rim. For that, we take 1/4 of a lime, run it around the edge of your glass. Then take a plate with some salt on it and put your glass upside down in the salt. The salt rim boosts the citrus flavors and balances the sweetness. Now, fill up your glass with ice. There you go. Then take 40 ml of fresh lime juice. Let's squeeze 2 at the same time. Squeeze it with everything you got. There you go. Yes. And again some tonic for the bite. Then I will take my grapefruit soda from underneath the bar. There you go. And just pour it over. There you go. Now take your leftover lime, cut it in a bit, and put it on your glass as a garnish. Now let's give this bugger a taste. Ooh, crisp, fresh, confident. This is a drink that says, I'm responsible, but still fun at parties. And last but not least, the virgin Piña Colada. For this one, we need a blender. Let's start with the base of the Piña Colada, pineapple juice. Put in a fair share of it, like around 180 ml. Next, a nice firm squeeze of coconut cream, around 60 ml. And again, some lime juice, around 15 ml. Squeeze it, spray it around, and put it in. And now lots and lots and lots and lots of ice. We're aiming to create a Piña Colada slushy here. Switch off the blender. And of course, pour everything in. Now for the garnish, a piece of pineapple. Nice cocktail cherry. Let's stick it in there. And for the look, 2 pineapple leaves. And of course, a straw. There you go. Also for this one, time to taste. Oh, nice one. Smooth, creamy, pure escape. And there you go. 4 cocktails, 4 moods, and all safe to drive. Turns out, good drinks don't always need alcohol. Don't forget to like and subscribe to follow the Rockwell Bar. See you next time. Drink responsibly at Rockwell. Or shall we call this one the Rockwell Sunbar? Let's go. Now let's get this. Now, for the garnish, a piece of. Turns out, good drinks don't always. Welcome back to the Rockwell Bar.